Leaving Cert Higher Level Maths 2024. This is the solution video to paper 2, question 2. So question 2 is a probability question, and part A says in the table below shows prizes in euro that a player can win in a game, as well as the probability of winning each prize. The player wins at most one prize each time that she plays. Some of the prizes are given in terms of X, which is an element of R. It costs €10 to play the game once. The game is fair. That means that the expected value of the winnings, taking the cost into account, is €0. Work out the value of X. So we can make an equation here. So it costs €10 to play. So the winnings must equal to €10 in total. So we take the prize and the probability, multiplying each together. So that would be 0 times 0.3 or 30%. Plus 2 by 0.4 or 40%, plus x minus 10 by 0.28 or 28%, and then plus x by 0.02 or 2%. And we have a nice equation there with unknown x in it. Work out each side there, you'll end up getting 0.3x is equal to 12 and x is equal to 40. That's worth 10 marks. Part B, A and B are mutually exclusive events. The probability of A is 0.1 and the probability of B is 0.4. Write down the value of each of the following. So if they are mutually exclusive, that means they have no intersection. So the probability of the intersection of A and B is 0. And again, if they are mutually exclusive events, the probability of both together, A union B, is the sum of them. So 0.1 plus 0.4, so that's 0.5. And that's worth 5 marks altogether. On to part C. So in part C it says C and D are two other events with universal set U. Probability of C is 0.5, probability of D is 0.7. Find the maximum value of the probability of C union D prime. So that's everything that's not in C or D. Note, C union D prime is the complement set. That means it's everything that's in C or D, but it's not. The prime there means not, so not in C or D. So easiest way to do this is to draw a Venn diagram with C and D. So C is 0.5, D is 0.7. So all of C could be in D. So I'm going to put it in there, 0.5, and that would leave 0.2 in the rest of D. So that would give us 0.7 inside there, so 0.3 outside. So the probability of C union D complement is equal to 0.3, or you could say the maximum probability of that is 0.3. If you had any number of this 0.5 in C only, that would change everything and it would decrease this. So if you had, say, 0.1, 0.4, then you'd now have 0.3 here, and that would bring that down to 0.2. So the maximum is this way. That's worth 10 marks. And then part D, finally, E is the event that it will be raining tomorrow morning. F is the event that I will wear a coat going outside tomorrow morning. Explain why it would not be reasonable to assume that E and F are independent events. Well, it's simply that you'd be more likely to wear a raincoat if it's raining. So more likely to wear a coat if raining. So basically it means that the two events are linked. So they're not independent. If it's raining, you're more likely going to wear a coat than if it's not raining. So they can't be independent. And that is 5 marks. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just ask in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.